Today with Miss Tissone's class. Say hi, Miss Tissone's class.
Hi, Miss Tissone's class.
We're going to be making a polar bear today. I'm going to show you a really simple way to do this. So what you're going to need is a black piece of paper and a crayon. And to start, what we're going to do is we are going to start from the bottom and make a rainbow, but it shouldn't come all the way to the top. You need to leave some room there. Then what we're going to do is make the bear ears. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Go ahead. My class is going to give me a thumbs up when they're ready to move on. Excellent. Thank you. Once you have it, what you're going to do is color inside the entire shape, the whole thing.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Yup.
This.
And we're going to take our time. I always tell my class the slowest person wins the race. And see if you can really press a lot of weight down while you're coloring.
I'm coloring the ears.
We're coloring the entire picture. You could use the side like I'm doing, or you can just do the normal way. Oh, I love the sound of the scribbling. So if you want to make your ears bigger, you can. Like, I'm looking at mine. I think maybe they could be a little bit bigger. It's my choice. I'm going to make them a little bit bigger.
That's
we
your
go.
choice.
Very good. Hearing lots of scribble scrabble from my students. That's one of my favorite sounds.
Oh, this is my favorite song. Mine is so cool. I'm not done with it. I'm done.
It looks like you still need to do one of your ears.
I messed up.
Okay, how did we do? I'm looking around, making sure every little part is colored in. Let's make this a little lighter. Right now, get into the bunny rabbit. Let's see.
Good job. Come on. Wait, where's the nuts? Wait, nuts.
Color that in. Okay, looking around. Looks like a lot of you guys are going to be ready to move on really shortly.
No, I'm not done. 18 minutes.
Okay, that's okay. If you're finished, if you're not finished, either way is fine. Take your time.
That's me.
I do want you guys to just glance up at me up here, whether you're finished or not, because I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing next. So if you're still working, you'll just do this when you're done. And if you're ready now, you can move on now. I'm going to show you guys how to make some special fancy snowflakes. So I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. Can you guys see it in the screen? I'm going to show you how to make one of these. I'm going to show it a few different times. So this is a watching time. So even if you're still working on the last step, take a break, look up at the screen, and learn how to make a snowflake. You guys can do this with me. I'm going to start with an X, a big X. Go ahead, make your big X, and then look up at me. Then I'm going to put a smaller plus sign inside of the X. Once you have that, what you're going to do is put about 2 little lines just like this on each limb. And if you missed it, I'm going to show it again a few more times, so don't worry. So there's one snowflake. Who would like to see it again?
Not me.
Oh, you got it the first time. I love that. Okay, gonna show it again now. Gonna show it over here. I start with a giant X. And I'm gonna put a smaller plus sign in the center of it. And then I'm gonna put 2 diagonal lines on each end. How many snowflakes would you like to put in your picture?
2.
Great. Now, did you know that there's so many ways to make snowflakes? Because there's like an infinite amount of snowflakes. So this is just one style that I'm showing you. But if you want to make yours some other way, feel free. We're going to fill the background with lots of snowflakes at this time. You can have some snowflakes be little like that. So I'm going to keep putting them around. And I know that our polar bear is missing a face. Don't worry, that's coming. Making so many snowflakes. That's okay. We'll just call it a snowflake. I think I should put some on this side. What do you think? It's missing something, isn't it? Here we are. Well, there's no mistakes in art. Whatever types of snowflakes you would like to add. So we're going to spend another minute on snowflakes, or if you're done with snowflakes, you can continue coloring in your polar bear.
I'm done.
All right, I'll be right with my finished students. My students pop like popcorn. So, no, have not shown you that yet. I can't wait to show you the next step. It's coming really soon. Add a few more snowflakes to your background. I'm going to help AJ out. How's that sound?
I call a little snowman with a happy face.
Awesome. All right, I think everyone is just about ready to move on, so I'm going to show you our next step. So I have a little tiny black nub. So I'm going to have my class look up at me now. Class.
Yes.
Look up at me. It's hard to see. You're going to watch what I do first, and then you're going to take a little black nub from me, and you are